TYPHON TERROR XXV, a 2.7-ton mini excavator engineered for professionals who demand compact size without sacrificing power, performance, or operator comfort. Designed for year-round productivity, the Terror 25 features a premium enclosed cabin equipped with both air conditioning and heating. Legendary Kubota D1105 diesel engine, a lightweight yet powerful, vertical water-cooled 3-cylinder engine delivering 25.1 HP with a peak torque of 71.4 Nm. Built for versatility, this mini excavator excels in drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, rock breaking, landscaping, and small-scale construction. Compact frame, stable undercarriage, and an impressive 1,955 mm swing radius. Digging depth of 2,045 mm maximum, digging height of 3,365 mm. Its retractable tracks glide from narrow to wide for stability on any terrain, with easy access service points. Compact, powerful, operator-friendly. TYPHON machinery, built to outperform.